I'm Miriam. So this week I'm going to take you with me on how I'm using lemon essential oil. So the first way I've used lemon essential oil is in my diffuser, of course. I love lemon because it's a great deodorizer and it just freshens up any room of the house, whether it's the bathroom or the kitchen. I took this actually yesterday. I was super busy, otherwise I would have filmed. But I took it yesterday to our new house and diffused lemon and another oil called Purification in my diffuser and just kind of moved it around the house because right now I only have one diffuser. I hope to have more soon. So that's the first way that I've used lemon essential oil. So when you use citrus oils topically, you need to be careful because they're photosensitive, which means that your skin is more susceptible to getting sunburnt if you use oils and then go out in the sun. So anyway, I have not used any citrus oils topically because of this. But I thought I would try this week. So I'm going to apply some lemon oil, but I'm just going to apply it to skin that's not going to be in the sunshine when I go outside later today. So I just applied the lemon essential oil a little bit behind my ears and the back of my neck, kind of underneath my hair, and I will wear a hat later if I go out in the sun. So I'm super excited to see if I notice any difference with this. I mean, the lemon oil is just a very energizing scent. I know that it helps promote focus and clarity of the mind when you smell it, so that is great. It's laundry time. So I thought I would share you the third way that I'm using lemon essential oil this week. I've done this with purification oil before where I've added it to my detergent in my laundry. But this time I'm doing something a little different. So I'll take you with me and how I'm using it. So first I'm taking some white vinegar. I've done this before where I put white vinegar in the middle here. This just helps deodorize my clothes, freshens them up. I do this every time with rags and towels and things. But this time I'm going to add a couple drops of lemon essential oil to the vinegar. And this in my washer and dryer says this is for like the softener, like fabric softener. I never use fabric softener, but I use the, there we go. I think I got 3 drops in there. I do use the white vinegar instead of the fabric softener. So I'm going to see how that is with deodorizing clothes. For detergent, I am using the Thieves detergent, and I'm going to just put some in my cap and spread it around on top of the clothes and get my load started. So update on my load of laundry. I put the lemon essential oil in. It came out smelling fresh. It didn't come out smelling like lemon oil. There's a hint of lemon before I put it in the dryer, but once it came out of the dryer it just smelled like clean clothes, but it definitely got some of the odor out of the clothes, so it worked great. I would suggest putting more in or putting some in the dryer if you want a lemony scent on your clothes. Okay, the last way I'm going to show you how I'm using lemon essential oil is in my dish soap. So I'm getting low on my diluted dish soap. This is my undiluted bottle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of the soap in here, and then I'm going to put a few drops of the lemon essential oil in, and then fill this the rest of the way up with water. Lemon essential oil helps cut grease and gets rid of goop and stuff like that, so it's great. So there we have it, more dish soap.